Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lake Zurich, local and long distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the worry out of your move, our qualified movers can help make your long distance move much easier. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, our staff will assist. Moving isn't simple, but using the right moving services can definitely make it a lot easier. Hiring us gives you access to all the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with a local Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the expense. However, when you begin to realize the advantages, the price seems to be well worth it. A reliable moving company can enable you to save time, regardless of how far you're relocating. Movers may also make sure you don't have to stress over injury because you will not have to do any heavy lifting. Our team makes it easy to get you a new location without nearly as much worry. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined approach for moving day. We can complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lake Zurich moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.